Hello my friends. I'm going to try a Dutch pour today on this pour canvas. It's cursed. I have tried it different things at least 3 times. I keep scraping and hosing and wiping it off. So I'm going to give it one more chance. And let me show you quickly though. I received a surprise in the mail yesterday. One of my subscribers, one of my viewers, one of my friends sent me these canvas holders. And they're nice and tall, and they hold the painting off the surface. I did leave the push pins in, or I moved them. I offset them so it rests flat on the new stands, but when I move it to the drying area, it will still be lifted up off the ground, and I can continue to use the stands. So thank you so much, Fran. I'm excited to send them on their maiden voyage today. Let's see what happens. The colors I'm using, I'm going to use a background of gray and white. Kind of a split thing, about 2/3 gray, 1/3 white. And then the colors, I have mixed a deep red violet. It's a pretty deep color, and then this one is almost the same value, but it's a deep navy. This is Phthalo Blue with a little red, and this is Phthalo Blue with a lot of red. So I'm hoping that against the gray and white background, they will translate nicely. I had a little bit of this pink or magenta pearl, I think it was, left over. So I'm going to throw that into the mix. And then just to get a lighter value, I have some what was this? I think it was Cerulean blue with a lot of white. So those are the colors going on gray and white, and we'll see what happens. I'll pause now, put on the base coat, and I shall return. Okay. Well, I was a little skimpy with the white. It's only covering about 1/4 of it, but we'll see. So I'm going to put the recipe down below as usual. What I'm using for my Dutch pour here is just Floetrol and water. I hope this is not going to be too dark, these two, but we'll see. Okay, let's see, that will go kind of there and there. I need more up here, so let me run some of this away. A little more of this dark on this side here. Okay. I think that solid blue could be a problem, so I'm going to go over it with this, the one that I'm calling kind of a red violet. There, hope that's not too much. Okay, here we go. Hair dryer set on high and cool. Ooh. Kind of fun. Well, I'm happy that I can see the difference between the red violet and the blue violet. I think I might be done with it. I might be happy. I kind of like this undisturbed part, and then how it goes out to, you know, it's blown out and it's not blown out. Oh my gosh, my narration is lacking. I like this. I like that fun kind of shape there, and that's okay. I think I will just take the stick and bring some of these little lost ones out to the edge. Like this one, perhaps. Or not. This bothers me over here, so. Okay. What else? I don't want to go crazy with doing that. That could be enough. You know what? I think I like it. I like this kind of lacing cell business. This is where I get in trouble if I were to, you know, blow anything more out. I'm not sure what orientation I like, but I don't want to mess with it right now. I'm going to let it relax. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Looks so neat on the deep edge there. That lovely lacing. Nice. In there, and that's the area there. It's undisturbed. I like that. That light blue against the gray is interesting. And then this is pretty busy over here, pretty heavy, but I think it's okay. It kind of, this would probably be the orientation with this at the bottom that I would prefer, and then that weight, that kind of weighs it down, that area. I don't know. When it's dry, you move it around and determine which orientation looks best. And I know it's a little distorted on the shape. This looks like a much larger area of negative space, but it's really not. But because of the tilt of the camera, it appears that way. I'm happy. Well, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.